Hi everybody, this is Bino, and today what we are going to work on is doing a natural crotch redirect with a stationary rope system. Just kind of want to go over the difference between the stationary and the DDRT or MRS system. All right, well let's get to it. All right, so now Noah, I'm going to walk out on that limb and I'm going to do a redirect, a natural crotch redirect. Here we go. Okay, so now I reached to the part where I want to start trying to get to my redirect. So I'm going to lanyard in and I'm going to choose a limb above my head. The idea for the redirect is that this angle is really is a good angle, but once I go higher, I'll kind of be more horizontal. So, and if I were to slip from this side, I would just go straight to the trunk. So the idea for the redirect is so if I do slip and I'm working this section, I'm not going to really go very far. So I'm going to attempt to probably get my line probably over that limb up there. Let me see if I can get it. So you got to slack your line up. Let me see. Actually, maybe that one would be better. So I put enough slack, so I want to have enough slack so once I pull it through, I'm going to be able to retrieve it. I'm going to get this in. I think I'll keep it like connected for now. I'm going to get the tail in and I'm going to throw it over the limb I'm going to try to go over. Let me see here. Give myself, see if I can do that. I can actually give myself some more slack here before I do it. Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I made it over there. I'm going to try to get it to me where I can grab it. All right, so now that I got that over, I'm going to get my climbing line and send it over. So to do that, now I've got some slack here already. I'm going to give myself some more. Now I have to have enough to go up and over and bring it back down to myself. So hopefully that's enough. Let me give myself some more slack here. Okay. Now I'm going to disconnect my carabiner. Okay. And then above my rope wrench, because I don't want my knot to take off. Like if it got hooked up on something, it might run on me and then it could get far away from me. So what I want to do is just put like a slip knot and connect my carabiner to it. Okay. And now there I go. Now I'm going to grab the line over here, this one, and get it up over that branch. Send it. All right. Bring it back to myself. All right. So now I'm just going to hook it right back up to my climbing post. Take off that slip knot. Okay. All right. Now connect it back to my belt. Get it orientated right. So see if I got it right. Take all the slack out. Okay. So now I'm over the crotch. There's my tail end there. Maybe I'll put my tail end all the way through so I don't get confused. There I go. And now my tail end's on that side of the line. And I'm connected to that crotch. So what I need to do is undo my lanyard and advance upward. Now, I want to reconnect my quickie. I mean, not my quickie, my chesty. Get it back. connected. And then once I get to do a free hang, I'm gonna go up till I get to that next branch. So here we go. All right. Now I'm gonna stand and work my way up. Okay. So now, let me undo my sender. Okay, so now, oh, where I'm at, I have a better tie-in. So if I was gonna work this section, I would be less worried about falling all the way back to the tree. And if I were to fall, it would just be in front of me. So if after I was done, I could go back down, undo my line, and just walk back to where I was. Or if I was done with the tree, I could just come back down right here. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the ground. All right, so as simple as all you have to do is just start to descend. Alrighty, there you go. All right, so today we're going over the redirect with an SRS system. And I just wanted to real quick tell the differences between it. With an MRS system, what happens is normally both lines will go over the crotch. So you put your weight on it, and both of these pieces are kind of have friction against each other. There's some other ways you can do it, like sometimes you could put carabiners to separate them. But if you're just doing a natural crotch redirect and you put an MRS line and then you walk out on a limb and you got weight and it's like further down, well, it can get pretty stuck on you. The difference is with an SRS system, it's only one line. So there's no friction except for the friction that you have on your friction knot. So you can go to multiple redirects and it'll be the same system. You can move up and down either way and it won't be like strenuous. So I hope you like what you watch. Like and subscribe if you like what we do. Take care. See you the next time.